Good day, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Sorry for not uploading videos. We had problems with our electricity and everything, but I'm back. So, this is part 2 of nature and the last part. So, let's begin. Did you know the longest living cells in the body are brain cells, which can live an entire lifetime? Obviously. Did you know trees improve water quality by slowing and filtering rainwater, as well as protecting aquifers and watersheds? Did you know asparagus is a member of the lily family, which also includes onions, leeks, and garlic? But asparagus has a unique mild flavor, nothing like the flavor of its onion cousins. Did you know onions contains a mild antibiotic that fight infections, serious burns, fames bee stings, and relieves the itch of Athletics food. Did you know the shark has to keep moving to stay alive? I knew that. Did you know Belcher sea snake, the most poisonous snake in the world, is Belcher sea snake of the faint banded sea snake? I will not say that word in brackets. I cannot pronounce it. Did you know while only 2% in weight are the human brain requires 15% of the body's hard work, 20% of oxygen and 25% of glucose. That probably makes 100, I don't know. Did you know for each minute of the day 1 billion tons of rain falls on Earth? Did you know grapes and clematis have stems that climb while with tendrils, which hold onto a surface as the stems get longer? Did you know the world's smallest flowering plant is the Wolfia, whose one full bouquet of flowers can fit on the head of a bush pin? And thanks for watching. I see you in the next video that I will upload shortly. A short